The die is cast. We don't enter 2023 Bidatu. For the growing number of those who now believe that the new Nigeria is possible, my God, it's time to go to work because Christmas don't pass. For those who still cannot comprehend the divineness of this tsunami, I bet make on a ship go one side, make we see road. Yes. Who can stop an idea whose time has come? As the AreaFada, I charge the exceptional Nigerian youths never to let this opportunity pass them by. Yes, because February 25th, 2023, that is the date we have with history. I want you guys to step up to the expectation and take charge of your destinies. I want to make you understand, say, now we, me and you, now we be government, no be them. Yes, because the office of the citizen is more important than the office of the president. Dear Father.